By the end of this lesson, you're going to be able to count from 0 to 999,999. So let's start with 0 to 10. Nul, unu, du, tri, kvar, kvin, ses, sep, ok, now, dek. Numbers in Esperanto never take the no ending. As an example, I have 3 dogs. Mi havas 3 hundojn. For multiples of 10, you just say any number from 2 through 9 plus dek with no space in between. So we have dudek, 20, tridek, 30, kvardek, 40, kvindek, 50, sesdek, 60, sepdek, 70, okdek, 80, naudek, 90. For all the other numbers in between, you just say a multiple of 10 plus any number 1 through 9 with a space in between. Some examples are dek unu, 11, dudek tri, 23, tridek ok, 38, kvindek ses, 56, sepdek kvar, 74, naudek nau, 99. And the word for 100 is cent. Multiples of 100 work just like multiples of 10 in Esperanto. You say the number 2 through 9, the number of hundreds, plus cent, with no space in between. Some examples are ducent, 200, tricent, 300, all the way up to okcent, 800, and naucent, 900. For other numbers bigger than 100 that aren't multiples of 100, we do the same thing that we did with numbers less than 100. You say the hundreds place with a space, followed by the tens place with another space, followed by the ones place. Some examples are cent unu, 101. We don't need to say nul for the tens place. We can assume that if there's no number given for the tens place, that the tens place is just 0. Cent dek, 110. Cent dek unu, 111. Cent tridek nau, 139. Septcent kvardek du, 742. Naucent naudek nau, 999. One important thing to learn when learning Esperanto numbers is that the comma and the decimal point are switched. In English, we use a comma to separate the thousands place, and we use a point to separate decimals. But in Esperanto, we use the decimal point to separate the thousands place, and we use the comma to make decimals. The Esperanto word for 1000 is mil. And when you say multiples of 1000, unlike multiples of 10 and multiples of 100, where you have no space between a number and the tens or hundreds place, you do need a space when representing multiples of 1000. I'll show you what I mean. Mil naucent naudek kvin, 1995. Du mil, 2000. Notice that we have the space between du and mil. Du mil dek kvin, 2015. How would you say this number? $32,710. And how about this number? $999,999.